Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your microphone and camera in Discord settings in just a few simple steps. Click the settings gear icon next to your name at the bottom left to open user settings. Click voice and video in the left sidebar to open the audio and video settings panel. Click the microphone dropdown, and for this example I'm selecting system default microphone array from the list. Drag the microphone volume slider to your preferred level. Here I'm setting it to around 90%. Click the speaker dropdown, and for this example, I'm choosing Speakers Realtek Audio. Adjust the speaker volume slider. You can set this above 100% if you need it louder. Click the Custom Radio button under Input Mode to enable custom voice sensitivity settings. Scroll down to the camera section and click the Test Video button. Unclick Allow when your browser asks for camera permission. Your camera preview loads, and you'll see yourself on screen. Toggle Always Preview Video off if you don't want to see yourself every time you join a call. Click the camera dropdown, and for this example, I'm selecting HD User Facing. Your chosen camera is now active, and the preview updates with the new device. If your microphone sounds too quiet or too loud during calls, come back to these settings and adjust the microphone volume slider. Changes save automatically. You can test your microphone by speaking and watching the input meter light up as you talk. If the test video button doesn't show your camera, check that no other apps are using it and refresh Discord. To switch back to automatic input sensitivity, click the voice activity radio button instead of custom. And that's how to change your microphone and camera in Discord settings. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.